This one's to do with my BMW not starting. I'm going to talk about what happened, how it happened, and how it was resolved. And also I'm going to be showing you how to set the time on older models of BMW. Right, so what I'm going to be talking about first is, why my BMW wouldn't start. So what happened one cold morning, tried starting the car, sat in, hit the start button, and it wasn't having it. Right, the starter engine probably went off like maybe 2-3 times. It sounded very minimal, and initially I had thought the starter motor had gone. So, at that point, because the lights were coming on, dashboard, everything was working just fine. But it turns out that it was the battery that actually went. Right, so, if you're having a similar issue, then most likely you're gonna have to get jump started. Right, and once you're jump started, and then we can, then get the battery replaced or whatever it is that you need to do. So right, so that's the BMW not starting address. Now I'm going to move on to setting the time on the BMW. Right, so what you want to do is, if you just have a look here, there's a little time icon just there. So if you push that button, right, initially that's what most people do, thinking there's a time icon, you can hold it down, it's not going to have it. Right, what you want to do is press the menu button, use this little dial to go over to config, push it in, right, head over to time, push it in again, right, and then you can select the hours. Right, so currently the time is, just give me 1 second, 5:21. Okay, so I've picked the 24-hour clock. Right, you just push it in and it moves on to the next one. Right, so it was 20. Let me just double check again. 21. I'm gonna do 22 just to be on the safe side. There we go. Yeah, 22. The date is currently is it the 7th or the 8th? Don't even know the date. Right, it's the 8th of March 2019. Yeah, so now just hit the back button, and if you hit the time clock now, there you have it. Right, correct date and time has been set. Simple as that, doesn't take too long. And yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe as well. It really does help out. I'm trying to get to 1k subscribers doing these random how-to videos, so let's see how that goes. Right, thank you very much, and see you guys again soon.